Okay, so we've walked about approximately 350, 400 metres up the road from N9 Pier and to Chinatown. So it's a dead-end street. You just follow that street straight up the road. We didn't turn, and it leads you to here. It'd be interesting to see how busy this gets at night time, considering this is midday. They go anywhere. Yeah, it's just crazy. And the other side of Christmas, we've got Halloween. And we still got this motorbike going through the traffic. That's cool. I have no idea how long this street is, but we've already gone probably a good 300 odd metres. I can't see an end yet. Very, very busy. Need to be patient. Seems a bit less busier down this part, but another little back street. Some of the smells are probably not so desirable. Okay, it's now 1 o'clock and the markets have just got way too busy, so we're aborting. We can go back to the ferry.